So do you also wish to send an automated WhatsApp message to all your leads you receive from 99 acres? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to send automated messages when a lead is received via 99 acres. So like you, I also use 99 acres to collect my lead details. And now what I want is that as soon as we receive a new lead from 99 acres, I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my lead. So to nurture them. So to do this, we are simply going to create a connection between 99 acres and WhatsApp Cloud API. And to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's build this connection between 99 acres and WhatsApp Cloud API. So to do this, I'm just going to open a new tab and I'm just going to look for the landing page of Pabbly Connect simply by searching pabbly.com/connect in my browser. Now it is going to open the landing page of Pabbly Connect, using which we're going to create a connection between 99 acres and WhatsApp in such a way that whenever we receive a new lead from 99 acres, an automated WhatsApp message will be sent towards my lead. So this is no magic, this is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. And if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then stick to this video till the end. But before we move on further and create this automation, I'll just show you something really helpful. This is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. Pabbly community is a space where users share their ideas, solutions, workflow tips and doubts. So if you're stuck at any step, the community is a great resource for guidance. And if you also want to join this amazing community, the link is given in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Alright, I'm just going to move in further and go back towards the landing page of Pabbly Connect to create this connection. And now over here you're going to see that our Independence Day sale is running on. So you can try Pabbly Connect once, and if you wish you can definitely purchase Pabbly Connect for a one-time price in this amazing Independence Day sale. Alright, so now without wasting any much more time, let's move on further and create this automation. For that we have two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can simply click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore the application. But over here I'm an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button which says sign in. And once I'm just going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over you're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting different applications. So I'm simply going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Connects account. And now it is opening the dashboard of my Pabbly Connects account, and to get started I'm just going to simply click on this button which says create workflow. And now it is asking me to select the workflow builder. So we have two options, the new one or the classic one. So the new workflow builder is faster, flexible and ideal for those who want a modern interface, while the classic one on the other hand is stable, has a familiar approach and ideal for those who want a tried and tested setup. So you can use any one from this. I'm just going to use this new one, so I'm just going to go towards this select of the new one. Now for the workflow name, I'm just going to simply enter the name of my workflow right over here, which is send automated WhatsApp message when a lead is received via 99 acres. And I'm just going to simply select the folder in which I want to save my workflow. So as you can see on my dashboard, I've already created multiple folders in which I save my workflows. And if you also want to create a new folder, you can simply go towards this create new folder button and create your own. Alright, I'm just going to simply click on this button which says create after entering the workflow name and selecting the folder. I'm just going to simply enter this workflow name correctly. There was a mistake, typing error. Alright, so as you can see that after doing this, I'm just going to simply click on this button which says create. And once I'm just going to click on this create, it is going to open the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results or the response towards the same. Alright, I'm just going to move in further and first set up my trigger, and then we're just going to move on forward towards this action. So to set up this trigger, I'm just going to go towards this add trigger button, and now for the trigger application, I'm just going to simply search for 99 acres and select it. And now for the trigger event, I'm just going to simply select it as new leads and click on this connect. Now Now it has given me a webhook URL. So using this webhook URL, we are just going to create a connection between 99 acres and Pabbly Connect. So what you have to do is to automate the lead capture, you have to copy this webhook URL and configure it in your 99 acres account. And to do this, you have to reach out to someone from the backend team of 99 acres or account manager from 99 acres, because 99 acres doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface. So someone from the backend team can only add this webhook URL in your account. So you can reach out to your account manager to do the same. And once they activate the subscription, automatically going to receive the lead details right over here. I have already created this connection, so I'm just going to simply wait for the lead details right over here as my webhook response. And as you can see that we have successfully received the lead details right over here. You're going to see the first name, last name, phone number, email address, and the area of interest. And with this, we have successfully completed our trigger step, and I'm just going to move on further and send an automated WhatsApp message to this lead. For that, I'm just going to simply click on this add new action step button, and now for the action application, I'm just going to simply select it as WhatsApp Cloud API. So to send automated WhatsApp messages, I'm just going to use WhatsApp Cloud API today. You can use any another application too. We also have an application by Pabbly named Pabbly Chat Flow, using which you can also send WhatsApp messages. You can also use Vati AI Sense or some another application of your choice. I'm just going to simply use WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm just going to search for it and select it. And now for the action event, I'm just going to simply select it as send template message new and click on this connect. And once I'm just going to click on this connect over here, to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect, you have to go towards this add a new connection. If you have already built this connection, you can go towards this select existing connection and then save. But I'm just going to go towards this add a new connection, and now it is asking me for the phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID, and the token. So you must be wondering from where you're going to get all of these three. So to get all of these three, you simply have to follow this help text and go towards this learn more hyperlink given right over here. And once we click on this learn more, it is going to redirect us to the forum of Pabbly, and we're going to see two videos which we have attached. Over here, you're going to see this video and you're going to learn how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect step by step. And also, if you want to generate a permanent token inside WhatsApp Cloud API, you can refer to this video. And once you watch this video, automatically you learn how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API. I've already created this WhatsApp Cloud API setup. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply go towards this select existing connection and then save. And once you create this setup, you're automatically going to receive the access token, phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID right over here. So you can copy all of these three and paste it in your workflow. All right, I'm just going to move on further. After connecting this, it is asking me for the receiver's phone number. So I'm just going to simply enter the receiver's phone number right over here, but we are not going to enter it manually by typing it like this, but instead I'm just going to simply map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly, which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So it is really important to do mapping, so to run this workflow in real time. All right, now I'm just going to move on further. It is asking me for the template ID, so I'm just going to simply select my template, which is lead alert. So you must be wondering from where I got this template ID. For that, I'm just going to simply open my Cloud API setup, and now we're going to see this option. You can create your own message template. So I'm just going to simply go towards this, and it is going to open my WhatsApp manager. And over here in the WhatsApp manager, you can see all the templates which I have already created. And we're going to see that this is the template which I've created, named lead alert, which I'm just going to use today to send automated WhatsApp messages. If you want to create a new template, you can go towards this create new template button to create your new template. All right, I'm just going to select one from this only, which is lead alert, and move on further. For the language code, I'm just going to simply enter the language code, which is EN, which is English right over here. Now once again, it is asking me to select the template name. So as you can see that my template name is not visible, so I'm just going to simply click on this refresh fields right over here, and as you can see, the template name is visible now. So I'm just going to simply select it and move on further. It is saying template has a header, so no, my template doesn't have one, so I'm just going to simply enter no right over here. And noticing header type, so yes, my template doesn't have a header, so I'm just going to simply switch on this mapping button and erase this right from here. And now I'm just going to move on further. It is asking me for many another details, so we are only going to fill in the details which are required like this. Template has a body, so yes, template has a body, so I'm just going to simply enter yes right over here. Now it is asking me for the variable 1 and variable 2, example lead name and city. So you must be wondering what is this variable 1 and variable 2. So to let you know about this, I'm just going to simply open my WhatsApp WhatsApp Cloud API, and we're going to see that this is my template. Alright, and as you can notice that in this template I have 1 and 2 in curly brackets. So you must be wondering why this 1 and 2 are in curly brackets. So this 1 and 2 are variables right over here, and this is going to change with every new message sent. And I want to replace this 1 with the lead's name and 2 with the area of interest. So I'm just going to show the WhatsApp message. So I want to replace this 1 with the lead's name and the 2 with the area of interest. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply map the value of both right over here one by one. Alright, so you can also add some variables in your template like this. It sends more personalized message towards your leads. I'm just going to simply map both of these variables right over here, which is name and area. Now I'm just going to move in further. It is asking me for many other details. So all of these details are not the required details. So I'm just going to leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request. But before we click on this save and send test request, I'll just replace this dummy phone number with my original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received. Because over here in the help text it has clearly mentioned that we only have to enter the original phone number. Alright, now I'm just going to move on further. After replacing this, I'm just going to simply click on this save and send test request. And once I'm just going to click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent an automated WhatsApp message. Alright, so I'm just going to open my WhatsApp, and as you can see that we have successfully received the message. Hi test lead, thank you for showing interest in our property on 99 acres. And the rest of the message, you're going to see all the details are the same, only the name and the city is going to be changed because these were the variables. And with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from 99 acres, an automated WhatsApp message something like this will be sent towards my lead. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back in again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. As soon as we receive a new lead, within seconds and in real time, a WhatsApp message will be sent towards my lead, that to a personalized WhatsApp message. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own real estate agency, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. And if you wish, you can definitely access this workflow. I'm just going to attach this workflow link in the description box below. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. So now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.